Thank you so much, Dean. And again, one more time, a round of applause, please, for Dr. Monique Story. Thank you, ma'am. Up next, please welcome the Director for the University of Guam Center for Island Sustainability and Sea Grant, Dr. Austin Shelton.
Happy day, everybody. Thank you all for being here for this special day where we are revealing some of our newest Sea Grant funded researchers here at the University of Guam. I'd like to thank my colleagues, the Dean of the College of Natural and Applied Sciences and the Dean of the University Libraries for both being here today for this special announcement. And it's because, it's something that we're really proud to do, is the funding that we get from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration through the National Sea Grant Program and National Sea Grant College Program actually allows us and at the same time requires us to give out a large portion of our federal funds to competitive research projects. And so what that means is that with the over $1 million per year, we need to give out a large portion of that through a competition where our faculty here at the University of Guam, also colleagues at the Guam Community College and the Northern Marianas College can submit proposals for innovative scientific projects that are related to our coastal resources. And because we're both a land grant and a sea grant institution, that means that we have to ensure that our university is delivering public value, doing science and bringing out into the community in ways that are both useful and usable and understandable. And so what we're going to be doing here with our latest round of researchers is a few exciting things that we actually really need on our island. And so I won't give away, who's doing what just yet, but you're going to hear about things like improving infiltration chamber designs for enhanced coastal resilience and stormwater management. We've been seeing some stormwater problems, especially with our typhoons, with some landslides. The ground, when we create more impervious surfaces from development, there's less places for stormwater to go, and that can cause a lot of problems on our streets, as we see firsthand here. So having some of that science and research behind it will improve our roadways and that management of stormwater. Here's another one that I'm really excited about: seawater-based concrete reinforced polymer composites. So we saw a lot of our coastal areas during Super Typhoon Sinlaku get impacted really badly. There's seawalls that have washed out, and those need to be rebuilt. At the same time that we're rebuilding, we're going to create these new scientific insights and how we can make some of that concrete using seawater. That I'm really excited for these results, because that means it will be a lot more sustainable and durable as we continue to get impacted by the increasing frequency and intensity of storms related to climate impacts around our island. So there's going to be a lot more relevant science, good science that's going to be done. It took a long process through 2 independent rounds of research reviews so that we were ensuring that we are going to get the best public value for our residents here in Guam and for all of the communities. And congratulations to our upcoming award winners that you'll hear about in just a moment.
Now, this process is not as quick and simple as it may look, right? These researchers have submitted their applications throughout the region, and somehow they land themselves up here on